All right, another type of log question that we have to solve. Again, don't forget the restrictions. Notice that there's no x over here, so you don't have to worry about any restrictions there. But you do have to worry about restrictions here and here. So x has to be greater than 0. There's your first restriction. The next one is x plus 2 has to be greater than 0, so that means x has to be greater than minus 2. If you want, put that number line down again. Put your values down. There's 0, there's minus 2. So always look at the opposite. If it has to be greater than, which ones don't work? That doesn't work. From that way going this way doesn't work. Anything less than negative 2 will not satisfy this equation. Then go out and do this one again. X is greater than 0, so there's your 0. That means all values have to be out here somewhere, but guess what? The ones here don't work, which again includes that negative 2. So in other words, you don't want to be redundant and say the same thing over and over again. Just grab that one, there's your restriction, and away you go. Let's go to town, let's solve this. Now, don't worry about this being log of base 2. It throws a lot of people off, but just stick to your log rules. Your log rules tell you right there that you have to multiply this. So, okay, log of 2, x plus 2 times x. Beautiful. Leaving you log of 2, x squared plus 2x in the bracket here. But notice that equals to 3. That's not a log base 2. So do a fancy little trick over here and say, okay, what value can I put in here? In other words, what value of x can I put in there so that it equals to 3? And remember our rule, 2 goes to the power of 3. 2 to the power of 3 is, of course, 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8. There's your value that goes in here. So log 3 actually means log base 2 of 8. And that equals to log base 2 of x squared plus 2x. There you go. Uh-oh. What do? Well, both of them are now logs. This guy and this guy are gone. They cancel. Perfect. So you have 8 equals to x squared plus 2x. Now, how do you go about solving this? Same thing goes as before. All you have to do is bring the 8 over to the other side, and look what you have. 0, because those cancel, equals x squared plus 2x minus 8. Oh my goodness, holy smokes, we've got a trinomial, so guess what? Yep, PSA. All right. Okay, this is minus 8. That is 2. Answer is, of course, 4 times negative 2. 4 plus negative 2 works. And of course, our answer would be 4 and negative 2. So, x plus 4, x minus 2, all nice and factored. That means your x values can equal to minus 4 or, right? Oops, I put 2 negatives there. Sorry. Whoopsie. There we go. X equals to minus 4 or x equals to positive 2. Now, what was that restriction again? Oh, the restriction way back here said all your values of x have to be greater than 0. So, okay, so let's go over here. Our values of x greater than 0, that one doesn't work. X equals to positive 2. Don't forget to verify. I know a lot of people don't like verifying, but you know what? It really saves you in the long run. It really, really does. So let's take this plus 2 and let's verify it with the original equation. Okay, here we go. Go back to the equation. Plus 2 is our answer. All right, let's make some room. Oh, make some room. Come on, there we go. Plus 2 is our original answer. Let's use it. 3 equals to log 2 of 2 plus 2 plus log 2 of 2. Holy smokes. Log 2 of 4 plus log 2 of 2. And remember, this means that we can, you betcha, times. So this is log base 2 of 8 equals to 3. And let's actually prove that this works. So take this guy here again. I wonder what the log of 2 of 8 actually equals to. Gee, I wonder. 2 to the power of x equals to 8, and sure enough, x equals to 3. Because if you put a 3 here, 2 times 2 times 2 is 8, and it works. Beautiful.